welcome back to our vegan channel. It's day, what are we doing this? 24?
Sure.
It's day 24 of Veganuary. Today I'm going to show you how you shouldn't eat as a vegan. Just kidding. Alright, so here's the thing. I'm not the worst vegan in the world, and I'm not the best vegan in the world. I mean, I'm eating vegan, but just because you're vegan doesn't necessarily mean you have to be perfect and eat perfectly healthy, and everything is relative. I mean, some people think sweet potatoes are healthy, and some people think, oh, you know what, you could do better than that. But it's better to eat a sweet potato, probably, than to eat French fries. So it's just like everything is a choice and it's relative. And this morning I'm in a hurry, unfortunately, because I have a doctor's appointment. And let's be honest, I don't usually spend a lot of time making stuff in the morning, just because I have a lot of work that I do in the morning. Usually morning is work heavy. I'm treating myself badly today, and I'm having a white bread ciabatta with a oat milk latte. As much as I enjoyed the oatmeal last time, I cannot eat that on a daily basis. I just don't enjoy it, and I don't want to eat food that I'm not enjoying. And also, this is not us telling us how you should eat. This is us sharing with you what we ate, whether it's healthy or not. And unfortunately, I would put this on a scale of like 5 out of 10 being healthy. Maybe even a 4. It's got a little vegan butter on there too. The horrors! But anyway, we'll be eating healthier on our other meals today. I was going to do some blueberries and coconut yogurt this morning, but it's cold, and I just want something warm and satisfying, and the blueberries and yogurt just aren't going to cut it this early. I'll have it later on, and we'll have a nice healthy dinner later on too, but right now I just want some comfort food. I don't want to go to the doctor appointment today, and I just want comfort food, so I'm going to eat my unhealthy breakfast and enjoy it.
I'm over in this corner right now, ukulele corner, because I want to tell you, I started my day with a nut butter filled Cliff Bar. This one was the chocolate peanut butter, duh. And I know, right? Same old, same old. But I want to tell you guys, I tried some different flavors the other day, well, the last week or so, because Dennis was kind enough to send us some different flavors, and they were so good. There was like, whoa, there was like the hazelnut spread filled one, which was kind of like a Nutella type thing, but vegan. It was delicious. I've had that one before. But then there was also, it was like a sea salt caramel toffee one. I think there was another toffee one, which was just like out of this world. And then I had been wanting to try the smoothie filled ones for a long time, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not. And Dennis sent us the tart cherry smoothie one. Oh my god, it was so delicious, and I think I'm definitely gonna want to try more of the smoothie flavors, because whoa, amazing. So now I am having this ciabatta roll with some Sabra roasted red pepper hummus. My breakfasts are still pretty boring at this point. I mean, in my mouth, it's amazing. Like, I love the flavors, but I do want to start changing it up again. The only problem is, like, I want to get into oatmeal, but when I have a Cliff Bar first thing and then I have oatmeal on top of that, I feel like that's a lot of oats. So I need to find some other options. I love going like savory in the morning, so I'm gonna look into it. I don't want to eat like tofu scramble every single day. I also, I'm interested in like some sort of pancake maybe, but I don't want anything too sweet. Sometimes those banana pancakes can be a little too sweet for me in the morning, so we'll see. Maybe like some sort of potato-based thing. I'm gonna look into it. Or rice. I used to eat rice in the morning all the time, but I'm gonna work on it.
Alright, I made it back from the urology appointment. Everything is going great. If you want more on that, watch the vlog channel, Mad Rose D Vlogs. I'm not going to elaborate too much here. I'm just going to have my lemon water. Yeah. Gonna have a little snack. I was gonna have blueberries and yogurt, but I really feel like something kind of savory, so we've got some leftover pasta from the other night with some green beans. Very few green beans. So I'm just gonna do my work and just relax a little bit because it's kind of dreary out. I don't really feel like doing too much today, but I have to keep pushing ahead and do stuff because these videos aren't going to make themselves, right? Alright, it's lunchtime.
Yes.
And I am literally, not figuratively, literally eating from a trough.
Yeah.
This is huge. To give you a little perspective here, this is like a family-sized thing. Half is salad. The other half is the biggest fat ass potato that I've ever seen in my life.
She's a potato.
It was like this size. This is like as big as her head, maybe bigger.
It's pretty large.
But this is a sweet potato. This was a russet. So we had that left over from the other night. What did we have that night? Did we have big salad or I can't remember?
No, didn't we put some, like, was it the cheese sauce?
Yeah. Yeah, it was like baked potatoes and something.
Yeah. Jacket potatoes.
Jacket potatoes, yeah. So I had one of the last ones. This is what's left, just a half of one over here. I've got some Frank's Red Hot on there. I've got some of this Greek olive medley on there as well. That's pretty much enough. You know, it's going to be very
Potatoes
filling.
are very filling.
Full of vitamin C and whatnot. So it's going to be delicious. Also, some salad mix with some of this beautiful Drew's Organics.
Smells so good.
Tahini Goddess. So delicious.
I am also a tahini goddess.
Yes, you are.
I have a little side salad here. I miss romaine, but
I know.
I like the butter lettuce too. That's pretty good.
I like butter lettuce.
But I have a bed of white rice here. This was our dinner last night. Yeah. Some lentil taco mix with black beans and corn.
And lentils.
These are the French lentils.
Right.
And then some of Mom's famous cheese
sunflower
sauce on top.
seed yellow sauce.
Yes, this is the sunflower variety.
Because I can't eat the cashew one anymore. My body said, not for you.
Oh, I also want some salsa.
Not for you. Oh, we don't have any.
Okay, not for me. So that's what we're having for lunch.
Yes. Can you fit everything in
I
there?
hope so.
Oh boy. Squeeze it. We did get the small refridge.
Refridge?
Yes. I'm too tired to say refrigerator.
Yeah.
Refridge.
Refridge.
It's better than just fridge.
I'm fine with just fridge.
Okay. Well, stock it up.
Girl. Hi. Oh. Hi, sweet boy. Puppy's like a little bear. It's snack time. I have opted for pretzel crisps, original, and some beautiful creamy peanut butter. I just need like a little something. Can you wait? I just need a little something. And I'm gonna be having my fruit for dessert tonight. So what are you having?
Pear.
Ooh, nice. That looks like a nice one.
Yes. It is.
Yeah.
Thank you for making it nice for me.
Clean?
Yeah.
You're welcome. And this is a fresh bag of pretzels, but there's all crumbs on the top because whenever we finish an old bag, I save the crumbs and pour them into the new one because I still eat the crumbs. I don't know about you guys, but I usually do that. Ooh, look at this.
Ooh, that smell.
Dinner time.
It's a beautiful bulgogi type stir fry. But I put in some bok choy,
Rice on the bottom.
basmati,
What's in here?
extra firm tofu, crisped up in the air fryer, yellow onion, some scallions,
See mushrooms.
some shiitake mushrooms, and bok choy.
Yum.
And it's all stir fried with some sesame oil, whole sesame seeds, a little bit of coconut sugar, and some liquid aminos, and garlic. Can't forget the garlic.
Smells like heaven.
Daddy already said it was good, so if Daddy says it's good, you know it's good. Alright, it's dessert time.
Ooh.
We're having these beautiful accidentally vegan cookies.
Right? This is what they look like.
Mm-hmm.
They're little tiny chocolate chips, and they're so good.
We're having it on some chocolate chia pudding, which is the vegan video of the day as of yesterday.
Yeah. Look at how cute this tin is.
I love it.
I love it too.
Oh, Notting Hill. Gate W11. Same as the one up there.
I gotta get back there, man. I gotta get back.
Alright, do your...
Can have a little bit of
do
this.
the most.
We got blueberries too.
Oh yeah, the blueberries.
You almost forgot.
I know. Well, I'm going to deliver Sean his little dessert. Hey, Puzzler. There's your dessert. What do you say? Hey. Thanks. I'm going to have some coconut yogurt on mine because I can't have that because it's got almonds in it.
Yeah, we don't need you in pain.
No. Her.
Yeah.
Ooh, we should watch some Gilmore Girls or something.
We don't need to watch the feed.
We're gonna watch the feeds.
Remember?
Yeah.
Don't worry, Gillies will still be there.
Yeah, in a month. Hold it extremely vertically. Yes.
I don't eat this very often.
There might not be much in there. Let me see. Uh-oh. Did Daddy eat all that?
He might have. Because I certainly didn't eat much of that.
Oops.
Wow. Just throwing whipped cream everywhere.
Oh, man.
Well, I got a little bit.
You gonna have some yogurt?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine with this. There's a lot going on here. It's already like 10:30. But that's what we had for dessert. That's what we had all day.
Yeah.
So thanks so much for hanging out with us today, you guys. Hope you all had some good food today too.
Are you wearing a blanket dress?
I'm not right now, but
No, I'm talking to them.
Oh. I see you are.
Sure you don't want some?
Yeah.
I'm wearing a blanket cocoon.
I'm not huge on yogurt.
Just a little bit?
No, I'm not huge on yogurt. But anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. And until then, much love.